Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use Dropbox Capture. When you're already signed into Dropbox, on the top left, click the dotted square icon, a drop-down will show. Then, click Capture. Now, click on Open Capture, and you will be redirected to a download page, where you will download and install the app. If you already have the app installed, click and Open Capture will automatically open it. Once you have the app installed, open the app, click Sign in with Dropbox, then allow your account to connect with Dropbox Capture. You'll have multiple features to approach. For now, we're picking screen recording. You can use it to record your documents or PowerPoint lessons for your course. Before that, first we click on the 3 vertical dots, then we click on Preferences. Make sure your video quality is 1080p or higher. Now we click on Screen Recording. Follow the instructions given from the small window. You can record your entire screen or a portion of that screen by clicking and dragging the mouse. After that, you'll be given another small rectangular box that gives you the options to start your recording and a draw option. Press the red circle to start and stop your recordings. I'll be showing you a quick video example now. This PowerPoint is mostly used for teaching, online learning. Now, after you stop your recording, you'll be redirected to your browser where the video can be edited, have a link attachment. I'll be using the main edtech page as an example. Or equipped with its own transcript and closed captions for easy accessibility. All these videos are automatically saved. On your main Dropbox homepage, Dropbox creates a folder called Capture, where all these videos are also stored. Here you can copy and share the link with your students. If you can't use the app, the web version is a light version of Capture made for basic recording. Hit the Create drop-down, then hit Screen Recording. The browser will ask you for permission to access the camera and microphone, so click Allow. You might have to go back and hit Screen Recording a second time once you allowed permissions. On the next drop-down, Dropbox will ask, what do you want to share with your screen? Either your entire desktop or a specific window. Keep in mind, all your windows must be opened beforehand and not minimized for it to show up in the drop-down. After you choose your window, click Allow and start recording. Once you stop recording, click Insert Recording and a file will immediately appear. Once you click on your file, you have the most basic features provided. The most important would be transcript and closed captions. Thank you and look forward to our next video.